Cities keep burning, the smoke fills our throats.
Wading in the water, I've been drifting out to sea. You see my vibrancy's been alive within me, floating in the day. But highs inside these eyes, I seem to glisten while they wait. Losing sleep as this reality is taking over me. And you must be mistaken if you think you're truly free.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for joining me. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload old units, new units, everyday slays, wig updates, and everything in between. So today, this unit that I'm going to be reviewing for you is this sleek thing on my head, honey. This is another unit from the new Bobbi Boss 13x7 Glueless lace collection. This is made with HD lace. I'm wearing it in the style MLF455 Ayla, and this is in the color number 2. So if you're interested in seeing the construction of this unit and the ways that I styled it, just stay tuned for this video.
You keep on your boat, you and I just spending my mode. See fear out of you, remain afloat. Cities keep burning, the smoke fills our throats.
Wading in the water, I've been drifting out to sea. You see my vibrancy's been alive within me, floating in the day. But highs inside these eyes, I seem to glisten while they wait. Losing sleep as this reality is taking over me. And you must be mistaken if you think you're truly free. At least inside my mind, there's no confines from what I seek or what I speak. A bit of peace to let my mind at ease. And music's all I need, a little comic through relief. Grief comes in waves, so maybe that's why y'all been drowning. Smiles to the world, but in your bathroom you are frowning. Down in the uppers for supper just to feel down again. I know you're lost, but ain't no shame in getting found again. Fuck synthetic happiness, the ultimate deception. I'd rather feel alive even if swimming in depression. Cause I never wanna lose myself to the power of possession. No materialistic things that seem to lead you to aggression. Yeah, what am I protecting? What you been neglecting? I'm talking sense of self, I know my presence is a present. Elevation is my favorite type of antidepressant. Even through life's devastation, know my vibes illuminescent.
You keep on your boat, you and I just spending my mode. See fear out of you, remain afloat. Cities keep burning, the smoke fills our throats. Cities keep burning, the smoke fills our throats. Social butterfly, I butterfly my energy, personified, and I don't even tend to sit and wonder why. Antisocial butterfly, I butterfly my energy, personified, and I don't even tend to sit and wonder why. My flow so open like ocean between the depths of the bright spotted inside crimson seas. Part of my metaphor, these go over the head like the bourgeoisie. Our hands in the air like they call the police. Well, you're on your own street, but they wanna see ID. If I don't live here, where the fuck I got keys? Guess technically we're free except if you possess the skin that's favorless and don't appease. Alone reprieve is where rest, and I can bet that really put your mind at ease. So place your bets and don't be scared to get the tip right. Stay to myself cause I'm anti-vocalizing the demise. It is hard inside in my anxiety, I can't hide it. Search for alleviation within my writing. Hail my energy cause I'm inviting, but I've been wanting to run if any notice the silence. On the days I pretend my vibe is dims. I wonder who you refuse to let it hide from them. Well in the end I'm just hoping I remain the friend I cope amend, and even just a little bit of pain and the lies of a man. We keep picking up the broken pieces again. Slice on our hands, but the pain from within has been solely retained, so the game never made this. Just stay with it, Social butterfly, I butterfly my energy, personified, and I don't even tend to sit and wonder why. Antisocial butterfly, I butterfly my energy, personified, and I don't even tend to sit and wonder why. Slide through and smooth like butter, fucking up the infrastructure like I'm undercover. I say goodbye, you say hello. I wanna fly, you wanna float under your zone. I wanna get so high, vibe just roam with you. You seem so confused when I speak my truth, it's like nobody knew. I could be so blue, but resonate so new. Woman and brand new youth, and I just can't consume the pain from every wound. The person like my zooms, I thought that I was immune. I'm just 2 and 2 on my existence, and vibe I exude. Admit that I'm ignited by the things I assume. At the end of the day, bursting out this cocoon, and truly all the beauty I withheld is exhumed. So feel it while I resonate, feel it while I bloom.
Okay, guys, so this unit is another 13x7 frontal. It does come with HD lace. It has your typical cap construction as far as 2 combs in the front and 1 comb in the back, but it does also come with an adjustable band. I'm not using the comb since I feel like the positioning of them is kind of awkward since it's like in the middle of your head, so I'm not using those. I am using the back comb as well as the adjustable band. I did adjust that to the tightest setting, so I do feel like this unit is going to be small, medium, and big head friendly because it is fitting my head really nicely without the use for the combs in the front, which is really good. The density on this unit is really nice. It's definitely not thick, but it's not as thin as it could possibly look. I feel like it's really natural. The texture on this unit is like a very light yaki. It does have some silkiness to it, and forgive the shine if that's coming off on camera, but it's not shiny whatsoever. It is just giving me a really natural vibe. The texture feels really good. One of the greatest parts about this unit for myself is that I did not get any shedding, any tangling whatsoever. And this compared to the Bobbi Boss straight 26-inch unit that I tried, I think I actually do prefer this one even though it is longer. Just because I really like the texture, I like the flow of it, and I feel like manipulating it wasn't as much work as it was with the 26-inch unit. So let me just give you a 360 of this. I'm 5'3", and it definitely comes below my boobs, and when I'm turned around it comes like to my butt, so this is definitely a really long unit. So this unit does come with baby hairs. They were kind of thick, so what I did, as what I usually do with Bobbi Boss units, I just sort of took the comb and helped separate the baby hairs, brushed them into the hairline, and put some foam removes to hold them in place. They were kind of long as well, so I did go in and just cut them down a little bit and swoop them to my liking. So I do like this unit a lot. I like the density, I like the texture, I like the way just that it lays, and I really like the fact that I didn't need to go in with heat and get it flattened at the top because it came like that already, so that's great. And just like look at all that parting space. Let me just come closer and show you this whole HD lace situation. So I feel like the key to making these HD lace units look as realistic as possible is 100% going to be your concealer. You're going to want to make sure you're using a concealer that matches your skin tone as closely as possible, because what I really like about these HD synthetic lace units is the fact that they take concealer really well. So I feel like as long as you have concealer that matches your skin tone pretty closely, this bad boy is going to take to it without a problem. So it's pretty great in my opinion. So that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. I hope you guys like it. If you do, just give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units you want me to pick up, any other colors, and until then, I hope to see you soon. Bye.
Social butterfly, my energy personified, and I don't even tend to sit and wonder why. Antisocial butterfly, I flutter by my